Over 40,000 children each year require hospital treatment in the UK after trapping fingers indoors. FingerPro offers a simple solution. Here's a quick introduction to the product and how to install it. The two-section design and simple adhesive fixing means that it can be safely installed on any type of door, including fire doors and doors fitted with rising butt hinges, and any type of surface including wood, metal, glass and plastic. Viewed from above, this simple model shows how FingerPro works. As the door opens, the finger protector unfolds to block access to the dangerous hinge cavity, which is the cause of most accidents, then folds neatly away again as the door closes.
So the first step is to clean the surface. Okay. And this just involves just to remove any grease. Now the next thing is just to check and see how far the door opens, so that you know whether you can fit a standard shield or possibly an extended shield. So, and this one will take a standard shield because it's only going to 90 degrees, even though it's about a 45mm thick door. But that should be fine. So then we take the channel and just check that we've got enough room to fit it, so I don't have to cut it down or anything. So there. And just peel off a little bit of the tape, and I'll come this side. So, and then using my fingers as a guide on the inside, I rest the bottom of the channel on the floor, move it up a couple of millimeters because I don't want the shield to rub on the ground. Just push this on. I can keep my fingers on the inside. Just run all the way down. And then I take the handle of the knife. I'm applying some pressure to make sure I've got a nice firm join.
Okay.
With the shield, this is the inside of the shield, and I can tell that by the tape and these two little ridges here. So I want that facing me, and I'll just pull off again a little bit of the glue tape and then turn it away from me. And now I can line it up with this edge, and I'll just move it a millimeter or so away. So as it goes onto the door, I've got a gap in here. And again, I'll pull off the blue tape, and I'll just push this on with my fingers first. All the way down the door. I open the door. And pull this round. That tip I put inside this edge, which goes in. And then I use the blunt part of the knife, not the cutting edge. It's in here. Doesn't matter if it comes out. And then using the handle of the knife, apply some pressure on here, again just to make sure that I've got a nice strong bond. Sorry, I'm going to do that. And let the door shut.
For more help or advice, visit the website or call the friendly Inside experts on 01273 475500.